Ever had to jump between 3 different apps just to bridge your USDT from one chain to another? We have all been there. It's slow, messy, and honestly, painful. Now imagine bridging USDT across 30 plus blockchains without switching tabs or signing up anywhere. That's RocketX. In fact, RocketX is the only exchange that supports USDT bridging across 30 plus leading chains like Ethereum, Solana, BNB, Tron, Sui, and more. The simplest way to bridge USDT from any chain to any chain is with RocketX. Whether you are on your phone or your laptop, you can get started in seconds. All you need to do is go to app.rocketx.exchange, choose the source network where you want to initiate the swap. In the coin section, select USDT from Quick Token Selection. Now in the destination network, choose where you want to bridge your USDT. For this video, we will go with Solana. In the coin, click USDT in the Quick Token Selection. Paste the wallet address in the recipient address column where you want to receive your bridged USDT. Best part? You can choose the best rates or fastest quotes in a convenient manner. RocketX compares quotes across 500 plus leading exchanges to help you with the best rates or fastest available routes. Once you are ready with a quote of your choice, then in the top right hand corner, click Connect Wallet. Select from the popular supported wallet based on the network from where you are initiating your swap. If you don't see the wallet that you use, no worries. Just click Try Walletless and you can bridge without connecting your wallet. We have linked a video in the description that explains how to swap without connecting your wallet. You may check it out. Finally, proceed with the swap and approve the transaction in your wallet. Once done, you will receive your USDT to the recipient wallet you entered. Congrats! You have just successfully bridged your USDT across chains using RocketX. Trading is open 24/7, no registration, no login required, not even connecting your wallet. Welcome to the trenches. You can always go to history to check your previous transaction. If you face any issue with the swap, go to help and raise a ticket. Our team is happy to help you. Any token, anywhere, anytime. Just RocketX. If you like the content, don't forget to like and subscribe the video. Happy swapping. See you in the next one.